Hello my dear children, welcome to the mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss statistics. In this chapter we are going to discuss the concepts of exercise 14.4. In the previous class we have discussed some concepts in this exercise. What is meant by measures of central tendency and what are the measures of central tendency. In the previous class we have discussed how to find mean for a given data. I hope you have understood the concepts well. I hope you have learnt the problems related to the concept of mean for finding the mean of a given ungrouped data. Okay, my children. Now let us discuss some more points in this exercise. Are you ready to listen the class? Right. Now let us take an example to find the mean of a ungrouped data. Okay, my children. Right. See the example. Find the mean of the marks obtained by 30 students of class 9 of a school given in example 2. See the example 2 in the textbook, my children. In that example, the marks obtained by 30 students of class 9 of a school was given. Okay, my children. Right. Now we have to find the mean of the marks obtained by the 30 students. Okay, my children. Right. Now come to the solution. Now x bar, that is mean, is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on plus x30 whole divided by 30. In the numerator we have found the sum of the observations. By the denominator we wrote number of observations. Understood this statement, children? Right. Sigma I is equal to 1 to 30 xi means the sum of the 30 observations. Okay, my children. The meaning of this notation is sum of the 30 observations. This is the first observation, 10. This is the second observation. This is the third observation. This is the fourth observation. This is the fifth observation. This is the sixth observation, seventh, eighth, and so on. Total 30 observations are there. If you count all these observations, total 30 observations are there. Here we are finding the sum of all these 30 observations. Okay, my children, understood this point? Right. That is equal to 1779. The sum of all these 30 observations is equal to 1779. So we have found the sum of all observations. So x bar is equal to 1779 by 30. Understood this statement, children? Right. That is equal to, on dividing 1779 by 30, what will you get? 59.3. Okay, my children. See, let us see how to get 59.3. So let us divide 1779. See how many times? Yes, 35 times 150. Now subtract, what will you get? 7. Here we get 2. So 27. Now let us carry down this number here. 9. What will you get here? 39 times. That is 270. So no, my children, 270. Let us subtract here. What will you get? 9. Let us keep here decimal point and we keep here 0. So 33 times, so 90. Here remainder is 0. Understood this point, my children? Right. For calculating the mean, in the case of an ungrouped frequency distribution, you can use the formula x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi into xi whole divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi. Okay, my dear children, remember this formula, memorize this formula well to find the mean of an ungrouped frequency distribution. Okay, my dear children, right. To understand this concept well, let us take an example. Okay, my dear children, see, these are the xi's 10, 20, 36, 40, 50, 56, 60, 70, 72, 80, 9, 88, 92, 95. Okay, my dear children, for the same example, example 2, see page number 240 in the textbook. Example 2 was given, that is ungrouped data. We have prepared a ungrouped frequency distribution for that ungrouped data like this. So number of students. How many students got 10 marks? Only one student. 20 marks. How many students got 20 marks? Only one student. How many students got 36 marks? 3 students got 36. How many students got 40 marks? 4 students got 40 marks. Similarly, how many students got 50 marks? 3 students. Likewise, we have prepared a ungrouped frequency distribution. Okay, my children, understood the difference, right? After finding this column, this is Fi's, frequencies. Let us find sum of the frequencies. That is denoted by sigma I is equal to 1 to, how many, see there, how many frequencies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total 13 frequencies are there. We are finding sum of all these 13 frequencies. That is why we write here sigma I is equal to 1 to 13, Fi is equal to, find the sum of all these numbers, 30. Understood this point, my children? Right. After finding these sum of the frequencies, we have to prepare new column, that is Fi into Xi. Since the given data is a ungrouped frequency distribution, to find the mean of this ungrouped frequency distribution, we have to prepare this column. Remember this point, my children. Fi into Xi. So 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 20 into 1, that is equal to 20. 36 into 3, what will you get? That is equal to 108. Similarly, 40 into 4, that is equal to 160. Understood these points, my children? Similarly, 50 into 3 is equal to 150. 56 into 2 is equal to 112. 60 into 4 is equal to 240. 70 into 4, that is equal to 280. 72 into 1 is equal to 72. 80 into 1 is equal to 80. 88 into 2 is equal to 176. 92 into 3 is equal to 276. 95 into 1 is equal to 95. Understood all these 13 values, my dear children? Right. After finding all these 13 values, let us find sum of all these 13 values. So we denote it by this notation. Sigma I is equal to 1 to 13, because 13 numbers are there. Sigma I is equal to 1 to 13 Fi into Xi is equal to, by adding all these 13 values, we get 1779. Okay, my children, understood this step? Right. Therefore, x bar is equal to, what is the formula for finding the mean of ungrouped frequency distribution? Yes, sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi whole divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi. That is equal to, what is the value of sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi xi? Yes, 1779 divided by, what is the value of sigma I is equal to 1 to n fi? We have found here 30. Understood this point, my children? That is equal to 59.3. In the previous slide, I have divided this number 1779 by 13 by long division. We got 59.3. Understood this point, my children? Right.